everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is part 2 of my Daiso Korea haul. My first one was talking about makeup. This one is just random things I pretty much got for my son or for like gifting. There are a lot of Disney related stuff, just FYI. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing first are beanies, and I think they're really cute. So this is Tigger and this is Winnie. It comes with the ears and it comes with a tail. I'm not sure about the sizing. Oh yeah, it does say it's between 3 to 4 years old. My son is not even 3 yet, but you know what? No harm keeping them. And yeah, and this one, both are actually 5,000 won, so it's actually not that cheap, but it's actually really warm. So, and it's Winnie the Pooh. I can't see them, so I had to get that. And it has chipmunks, Chip and Dale mittens, which I think is so much cuter than the one my husband got in Syria and Japan, FYI, if you guys haven't watched that. But I just think that this is really cute. I do a lot of cooking, so I can definitely see myself using it a lot. I also got a water bottle for him, and this is Winnie the Pooh. It comes in blue and yellow, and I decided to get this blue one, and it just comes with this sippy drinking one. So I just thought that this would be good for like daycare use as well, because even if it get damaged, doesn't really matter, it'll be fine. So I just thought that this is good. And oh, it actually doesn't come with a lock. I thought it does, but it didn't. Another water bottle, and this is a Mickey one. This is more plasticky, not as sturdy as this one, so but it's only 3,000 won, so how can I say no to that, right guys? Slippers, this is so cute. Winnie the Pooh slippers, look at that. So this one only comes in, I could only find one size, so this is between 250 to 260 millimeter. This is 5,000 won, but look how like it's really comfy and it's really thick as well, which is beautiful. Also got a bowl for him, and this is a Mickey the Mouse one, and this is like porcelain. I have a friend that is going through a crochet phase right now, and I couldn't find anything crocheting like anywhere, like when I went shopping. But luckily on my last day I found some of this like DIY, I don't know what you call it, like a, look at this, it's so cute. You just make little like toys like Winnie the Pooh, Snow White, Piglet, Ariel, and OLENS as well, which I thought was really cute. So I'm gonna give her all of this as well, and hopefully she enjoys it. I also found this one where she can make like handbag. So it has like instructions at the back here of how to make it. So I got her like a blue and a lilac purple to match it, which I think will be very cute together. Then I got some pencils, Disney pencils. Look at them, they are so cute. They're not the cheapest. This is like 5,000 won, but it comes in 36 pencils, so I thought it was actually decent amount of price. I needed a pencil sharpener, so I got one, and it's only like 2,000 won. Couple of utensils, and one is this Chip and Dale, which I'm going to give my nephew because I thought it's actually really cute. And then a Winnie the Pooh set one. This is a Tigger one. I couldn't find Winnie itself, but I just thought it's really cute for my son. And what else did I get? Oh, another, this is a spoon one, Mickey Mouse spoon. Few accessories, actually not couple. One is a Snow White one is a Care Bear one, and the other is Hello Kitty, which I think is really cute. So I'm going to give this as like gifting. Last but not least, my husband decided to get this because he didn't realize I got one, but this is for my iPad holder, so it turns like that, which I thought was really cool. Those are my part 2 of my Daiso haul. I hope you guys enjoy it. Like, it sort of give you ideas of what you can get, but yeah, I enjoyed shopping them. And like, it's quite hard to find like some Daiso store that sells like good Disney products, but I'm really happy that the one that I went to, especially in Gangnam, the Coex Mall, had really good amount of like Disney product, which I absolutely love. So I recommend going there if you guys are interested. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.